And now for something completely different. Yes, today I'm going to be talking about the Nira Precision Laser, which I have been sent in PR, and I am very excited about it. Now, those of you who've watched my channel before will know that I'm a little bit of a skeptic. Well, actually, I'm a lot of a skeptic about treatments that can make a difference to my nearly 69-year-old skin, because I have all the classic signs of aging. I have jowls, I have lines here, crow's feet, lines in the middle of my brows, all of those things that are natural for a woman or a person of my age. So I've really shied away from all the other treatments such as red light therapy, which I know many of my friends on YouTube swear by, and lotions and potions apart from sunscreen and retinol, which I think are, and possibly vitamin C, which I think are probably the gold standards for those of us who want to preserve the skin we've got and possibly improve it. However, lasers are something that I have had experience in because I've had lesions removed from my skin using lasers, but not by myself. Obviously, I've gone to have those in the clinic by a dermatologist. But there's something about lasers that I think is quite attractive in that it sounds like a laser treatment can stimulate repair in the skin. I kind of get that concept, and I didn't get that from the red light therapy, and I didn't get that from other electrical impulse treatments and those kind of things. But there's something about laser that interests me. Anyway, I didn't seek out Nira. They very kindly reached out to me, and I was really made up about that because I'm only a tiny channel and I don't have a huge presence, although of course I would like to have a bigger one. So I think it's really interesting that they have chosen me amongst many others, of course, but they have chosen me and my tiny channel to demonstrate whether the Nira will work on my nearly 69-year-old skin. Now, I'm going to insert some photos of me. Please don't switch off. I know they're a bit scary, but this is how I looked this morning. Now, I took these photos before I'd had a shower or washed my face. I wanted you to see my naked face without any extra redness that might come from me washing my face, for example, having a shower. So you can actually see how I look first thing in the morning. And what Nira want you to do, of course, is to take the same kind of pictures each time they follow you up, or you follow yourself up rather. So after 30 days, 60 days and 90 days. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I've taken these photos myself very carefully, and after quite a lot of practice of taking selfies with the other side of my camera, because I don't know if you've ever tried to do that, but it is a bit of a mish. Anyway, we've done it and we've succeeded, and these photos are taken in natural light. I'm not using my ring light for those photos. So that's the canvas we're starting with. That's the blank canvas, as it were. Right, so let me look at the notes that Nira have sent me and tell you what it actually does. So it works by sending heat signals to the dermis layers of your skin without tissue damage or irritated nerves. It simply uses heat. It uses a 1450 nm diode laser that penetrates the lower levels of the skin, giving your body the signal to produce more collagen without having to do any damage to your already existing skin. You don't experience any redness due to popped blood vessels, no inflammation due to tissue damage. There are 5 different levels of heat intensity, so users feel warmth but not pain. Now I understand, or I think I understand, the process of shocking your body into doing something, because I suppose it's probably not unlike that HIIT exercise, you know, the HIIT, which I have tried, but to be honest, I'm not that fond of, where you suddenly go for it hell for leather for 30 seconds or a minute and then you stop. And I think it's sort of shocking the body into doing its utmost to be as healthy as it possibly can. And maybe the same thing is true of the laser. Anyway, that's my take on the science. So without further ado, let me show you the laser. So here it is. It's not very heavy. Not quite sure how much it weighs. I haven't plugged it in yet, so I haven't actually tried to use it. I just wanted to do this little introductory video in case anyone wanted to follow along with me, because I do have a discount code and that will be listed in the info box below this video. Now I'm going to start using this tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday, the 16th of July. So that means in 30 days time, whatever date that is, I will come back and tell you how I've got on, and then also at 60 days and 90 days. So what you get with the laser is the little USB cable, and then you get the full instructions as well. And you also get a serum. And what you do is you put this serum on after you've used the laser. Now, to use the laser, it says you clean and dry your skin completely. You then turn the device on and select your comfort level. Now, my lovely friend Cindy from Beyond 50 Skin, who's on YouTube, and I'll link her channel down below for you, she was only able to go up to 2 with the precision version of the Nira. She actually now has the new version, and she's trialing that at the moment, which is called the Nira Pro. And she said she was able to go up to 5 straight away. But I'm definitely going to start low, and I will start on 1 and see how we go. Now, interestingly, I think my skin is tougher than Cindy's. So I'm wondering whether I'll be able to go up to a higher number more quickly. But I think the key thing here is to start slow and increase when you feel able to. So in the follow-up video to this one, I'll be showing you how I got on with it in my first week, because obviously it's going to take a little bit of practice. But like I say, if you're interested in following along with me, I have a discount code below. Now, currently on the Nira website, the price for the Precision is $425.70. And then you can use the discount code, I believe, on top of that. I am going to check all this information as soon as I finish this video, and I'll make sure that all the correct information is in the info box below this video. I'm really excited about this. Honestly, won't it be amazing if it actually makes a difference to my skin? Anyway, let's see. And thank you so much for watching. And if you've enjoyed this video, I'd be really grateful if you'd give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and of course, leave me a comment below. Have you tried the Nira Precision Laser? What do you think about it? Would you try it? I mean, I am the ultimate skeptic, but I am actually excited about trying it. And thanks again so much for watching. It means the absolute world to me. It really does. And I hope you're all doing really well. And I'll look forward to seeing you on my next video. Bye.